This the end of all that fake shit, I'm y'all replacement. Ain't no difference between you rappers, y'all all made the same shit. Yeah, my flow is phenomenal, built the beat like Bionicle. I'm the proof that if you really want it, this shit is possible. Yeah, the whip is limits in it and the windows is tinted. Had to switch it up a bit so I can say it's authentic. Little bitch, go run and tell all of your friends that the old Oliver's dead. I stop pretending, think I'm just gonna be myself instead. I do this shit for everyone who's showing me love. I'm either working on the music or I'm rolling it up. Man, y'all be so played, all you trendy rappers got to go. If you looking for that fire, know you fucking with a pro. You see me spark that cigarello, then I take a puff. Some days I wanna call it quits, feel like I had enough. You got me so fucked up. If you think I'm about to quit, cause I care way too much about my family and this rapping shit. No, you won't find me at the club, I bottle pop at the crib. Rolling up and celebrating all of my accomplishments. It's right here on some honest shit. I'm only rapping from my heart. If I was worried about the hits, I make some pot shit for the charts. In my bedroom's on and out, know my chick going to drought. All the kids who rockin' with me, y'all know what we talking about. Yo, this the end of all that fake shit, I'm y'all replacement. Ain't no difference between you rappers, y'all all make the same shit, bitch.
I cry myself to sleep like almost every night. I hope you know I'm no angel. If I die alone in my bedroom floating, that's alright. I hope you know I'm no angel.
It's the Reaper creeping slow, I know you see me when you dreaming. Been a minute, I was in it, I came back and now it's steaming. Beneath the scene, they preaching to the teens about the meso. It seemed to me you need to scheme and fiend and stack them Cinos. At night I contemplate about my time on the earth, and every day I gotta choose between the verse and the hearse. Suicidal, anxiety inside of denial. In my head is my rival, but see the pen is my rifle. These other rappers so concerned about the money and fame, but I got kids who tell me that they held a gun to their brain. Then they put it down when they heard a line in my song, and that's something more important than what station I'm on. Y'all aiming straight for the charts, I'm aiming straight for the chest. I only speak from the heart, you only ride in the trends. You fucking goof, so cry and say I'm lacking the juice. A body bag, a rap attack, I'm send them back to the booth.
I cry myself to sleep like almost every night. I hope you know I'm no angel. If I die alone in my bedroom floating, that's alright. I hope you know I'm no angel. I cry myself to sleep like almost every night. I hope you know I'm no angel. If I die alone in my bedroom floating, that's alright. I hope you know I'm no angel.
Better learn, lesson learned, that's for life. Doing wrong instead of right. And I get where you're coming from. Had enough, it's all fine. But I can't really lose if I didn't play it all. I can't really feel if I just fake it all. Lesson learned, it's alright. Can I spend one more night with you? Try to live what I learned. If I can't, won't get hurt, can't lose. If I fake what you feel long enough, is it real, am I right? If I fake what I feel long enough, it turns real, hope I'm right.
Cause I never leave my home. If you wanna live a dream, I ain't coming, bitch.
Off on my own, yeah. She telling me I got old, yeah. I'm telling you that you old, yeah. I don't need no one around. I don't need no one around. I got it on my own. Baby, I would, but you've been getting too old. I don't need no one around. I get it on my own. Like when the cup too strong, and when the pills come out, you running home. Tell me when my feelings run out, where will you go? I'm sorry to tell you, but baby, the end of the show is here. The credits are running right here, yeah. Don't you believe what you hear? I do not feel what you feel. I care what you feel. Cause when the cup too strong, sending her home.
They say, but we don't have bones inside our brains. If bones are the walls between you and I, then I feel pretty tempted to beat myself with sticks and stones anyway.
I've got a ray gun in my bag, a treasure map under my hat, and I'll never miss a headshot or a dotted line. I've spent way too much time thinking about, dreaming about life to miss the point, which is just listen, 'cause I've listened for mine.